Hello AI lovers! It's AI Pargan here. I am here today to give you OpenAI's GPT-4's free access through Chat GPT PLUS account. Don't miss any part of the video. Let's start.
Guys, first see if my Chat GPT Plus is real or not. As you all can see that this is Chat GPT Plus written here and it is. Let's select GPT-4 from here. Oops, GPT-4 is not usable right now, but your time it could be usable. Let's use the GPT 3.5 instead. Here you can definitely see that. It works fast and nice. We logging out for detailed information. Let's log in with same account. And it is the main part of the video. If you want GPT Plus free account, hear me up. So I am giving away this account's email and password to you guys. Whoever will like, comment, share, and subscribe can take part in the giveaway. So you just have to do, like, subscribe, share, and comment in this video that you subscribed. Giveaway will end in 7 to 10 days. It is so easy to win this giveaway because it is my first video, and I will get very few views. I will do more Chat GPT Plus account giveaways as my channel grows. So do the following steps and best of luck.